Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get a better keyboard on iPhone. Here are some steps to get a better keyboard on your iPhone by installing a third-party keyboard app like Gboard, SwiftKey, or Grammarly. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for a keyboard app, for example, Microsoft, SwiftKey, or Gboard. So I'll choose Gboard. Download and install your chosen keyboard app. Once done, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Keyboard, then Keyboards, then tap Add New Keyboard. Under third-party keyboards, tap the name of the app you installed, for example, this Gboard. After adding it, tap on the new keyboard in the list and enable Allow Full Access if needed. So now, to use it, open any app with a keyboard. Press and hold the globe or smiley icon and select your keyboard like Gboard, and it has been changed to Gboard. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.